So over here, you can see that I have the storyboard project right here. And if you have actually went around and divided out your project into different parts, then you may want to remerge them out later on in the main project as well. So over here, you can see that I have this main project. And if I want to go around and then merge and replace out the files, let's say, for example, if I want to replace out the first scene right here, then you can go around onto file right here. Then you can go to project management, and over here you can see that you have an option to merge and replace. So once you go around over here, you can click on import project, and then over here you can choose the part which you want to merge and replace right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around onto part 1 right here and then click on open. So once I do that, I can select out the part that I want to replace right here. So you can go around and keep and move the original scenes to the end as well, or respect like logged audio track right here and so forth, or only choose to replace artwork right here. But I'm just going to go around and replace everything right here. So once I choose this, I can click on merge, and then what happens is that the merge becomes successful right here, and the scenes over here will be updated right here. So I haven't made any major changes right here, so you don't see much. But if there's any update that happened in the beginning, then it'll just replace it. So I'm just going to go around on to, let's say, for example, merge and replace, and click on yes right here, and then go to import project. And let's go around onto part 2 now. So I'm just going to go around onto part 2, select this and press open right here. You can select this, press merge right here, and you can see that now you can see the change right here. So depending on the change, you can see that it replaced out the scene right here, just like this. So that is how you can merge and replace files inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.